Gage fly by rope and racing. It's a scramble for front position. Moving up in the middle portion is Lacrosse running by the wheels. Born Tycoon around the outside now. Exquisite Doña Anita is also there. Rain Me In, Native Land next online. Then followed by Tiger's Queen and number 2. The Here Song, while Highly Urgent is running in a tail of the field. Out the straight they travel. Lacrosse leads Balang, followed by Born Tycoon. Doña Anita from the outside third, and followed by Exquisite. Then next on line now is Native Land, Rain Me In, Tiger's Queen. Long way back, The Here Song and Highly Urgent. Nearing the last 600, Lacrosse, Doña Anita with a challenge on the outside. Inside the last 600, Lacrosse, Doña Anita running in third now. Is entry number 8, Exquisite, Rain Me In, Native Land. Here comes Tiger's Queen now as they hit the final turn with Doña Anita. Leads by some 2 lengths. Exquisite round running in second, running in third. Lacrosse, Tiger's Queen, Rain Me In, Native Land, Brazil, Doña Anita. Second, close, Exquisite, Lacrosse, Tiger's Queen. Then couple of runners.
At ayan nga po, sinagot na ang inyong katanungan, mga kaibigan, para sa ating kapitong karera.
At gamadong nanalo.
Malayo po ang